Nothing looks broken, not from the outside, but something in you has shifted. You wake up tired. You sit in silence longer than you used to. You smile, but there's a weight underneath it. You've called it anxiety, stress, some days depression. But what if it's not the end of something? What if this is him removing the old chapter before the next one begins? The first sign is loss. People are leaving, not all at once, just quietly, one by one. Conversations that used to be easy now feel distant. Places that once felt like home don't anymore. At first you think it's rejection, but some of it is protection. Some people were tied to your pain, not your purpose. As you heal, you're being separated from what kept reopening the wound. The second sign is gravity. Rooms you used to enjoy feel heavier now. The same noise, the same conversations. They don't reach you the way they used to. You think something's wrong with you. It isn't. You're just changing. Your spirit wants something different than it used to. This isn't him making you difficult. It's him making you aware. The third sign is exhaustion. You rest and you're still tired. You sleep and you still wake up heavy. This isn't only in your body. It's deeper than that. Take care of yourself. That still matters. But ask what you're still carrying, that you were supposed to put down. Old guilt, old fear. A version of you that helped you survive, but was never meant to lead you forward. The fourth sign is silence. You want to withdraw, not from people, from noise. You clear your space, say less online, sit in quiet longer. You think this means you're isolating. It's not. It's separation, not loneliness. He trains you privately before anything is shown publicly. He's clearing the noise so you can finally hear. The fifth sign is resistance. Right before something shifts, everything feels harder. Doubt gets louder. Old temptations return. Doors close without explanation. You think it means you're wrong. It doesn't. It means you're leaving something that doesn't want to let go quietly. So you keep walking, even without an explanation. The sixth sign is confirmation. The same message keeps finding you. A verse, a conversation, a quiet thought you can't shake. Different sources, same direction. You used to need everyone to understand your path before you'd trust it. Now when it repeats itself like this, you just listen. The seventh sign is release. You're scared. You'll say that plainly. But underneath the fear, there's a stillness you didn't put there yourself. You know you can't go back. Not as a decision, just as something you've come to see. You've stopped forcing doors. Stopped chasing people whose minds are made up. Stopped holding on to what you can't control. This isn't giving up. This is your grip finally loosening on what was. So something else has room to be placed in your hands. If things feel uncertain right now, don't panic. Maybe he isn't ending your story. Maybe he's editing it, removing what no longer belongs, healing what still hurts. From anxiety to awareness, from loss to purpose. The old is falling away, but something is being written. You're not being buried. You are being planted. And whatever's coming next, he already knows what you're becoming.